Hello everyone. What I'm about to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here, so don't worry, we're almost there. When your Tesla shows the message battery fuse requires replacement soon, what it's basically saying in simple terms is, hey, one of the fuses inside your high voltage battery is wearing out and should be replaced soon. It doesn't mean your car is about to shut down, it's just a preventive warning to keep your battery safe. These fuses are crucial. Their job is to protect the battery from overcurrent or short circuits. If something goes wrong, the fuse sacrifices itself to save the rest of the system. Over time, heat and normal use cause these fuses to lose effectiveness, and Tesla knows this, so the system warns you before it becomes a real problem. Many mechanics have seen this message appear on Teslas of various years, especially older models like the Model S and Model X from 2012 to 2020. The good news, according to mechanics in this shop, is that there's no immediate danger. The car is still safe to drive, although some owners notice minor reductions in power or acceleration until the fuse is replaced. The Tesla Motors Club community agrees that you can continue driving while scheduling your service appointment, but it's not a good idea to delay it too long. If your battery or drivetrain is still under warranty, Tesla usually covers the replacement at no cost. Some owners report that even out of warranty, the service was done as a courtesy, depending on the vehicle's age and condition. Basically, it's worth asking and explaining that you received the warning message. Another detail mentioned in forums is that these fuses have an estimated lifespan, usually around 8 years. That's why this alert often shows up in Teslas of a certain age. It's not a sudden failure, just normal wear detected by the battery computer. It's like your car is saying, hey, it's almost time to replace this part before it causes problems.